in today's video, I'll show you how to make custom letters in Canva to make your design stand out, whether it's for social media, presentations, or invites. Start by opening your Canva project. On the left-hand panel, click Text and select Add a text box. This creates a blank space where you can type anything, from a single letter to full sentences. Next, choose your font by clicking on the current font and exploring Canva's wide range of options. Adjust the size to emphasize or downplay certain words. And don't forget to pick a color that fits your design using the color palette. To take your text further, click Effects to add shadows, outlines, neon, or even glitch effects. And if you want motion, use the Animate feature to make your text pop across the screen. Perfect for digital content or presentation. And that's it. With Canva's text tools, you can customize your letters with fonts, colors, effects, and animations to make them truly unique. Happy designing!